All right. Come on in. Customer about to check out his GT350.
Wow.
Yes.
That is definitely a big wow.
Nice.
That looks amazing.
Doesn't it? Gorgeous.
I mean, this is better than when I bought it.
There you go. Thank you.
Literally way shinier than when
And it's going to be so easy for you to keep it looking like this.
Yeah.
We're going to go through everything, how easy it's going to be. You won't have to take this to the local car wash.
You can't even tell.
We wrapped all your edges on your paint protection film on your hood.
Yeah, thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I can't even. That's amazing.
Nice. So